tapping out some holes so we can run this fancy schmancy steering wheel Mr. Joey Generet's got.
Just FYI, he don't really sound like that. I don't know why he's talking retarded, but that's the fancy wheel.
Yo, motherfucker, we on the south now, man.
Hey, man, we go yee yee.
Yee yee, motherfucker. Got that black lean going. But basically, we're just going to retap these holes.
In the south doesn't ride like that, something wrong with you. Yeah. No, actually, if your truck rides like this, something's definitely wrong with it.
Yeah.
Look up in there.
I was looking for a Mickey Mouse beach ball.
All we're doing is just retapping these holes because threads are a little screwed up. And then we'll be able to bolt the steering wheel in.
Drive this son of a bitch.
Drive this son of a bitch. Well, we got to bleed some brakes. That's easy.
Not gonna put the front.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
What?
Joey's wife is kind of crazy.
Oh, we're filming. Oh, hi.
Yeah, don't mind her. She's an idiot.
She married. Well, I mean,
she married me.
She married him, so yeah.
Right.
Remember, kids, hydration's key. But what we're doing is here, we're just tapping these holes out. Shit, I don't remember which one I did and which one I didn't. Well, try this. I think I've tapped the same two holes like 3 times already. Whatever. Just tapping holes. Tap, 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 tap. Tapping holes, tapping holes, tapping holes. This is boring shit. I don't know why you're still watching.
We got holes. We got holes in different area holes. Area holes.
Give me mine. I might come tap your hole.
Oh, Lord. Coming to a hole near you. Your hands are as black as Harambe's ass. Dicks out for Harambe. Never forget. Are you tapping all the holes or
just the 6 we need?
Oh yeah, you thread that hole, you dirty girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wrong video.
Oh shit, my bad.
That's later.
I thought we were filming for Brazzers.
Bazaars.
Whatever.
This guy's got way too much filming going on.
I'm a creative son of a bitch. Oh yeah, you thread out that hole. Oh, water out. Oh, spill.
Help me.
That thing looks fresh as poontang pie.
Sure. I do believe I've already threaded this hole. That means we done. Get the horn button.
It's outside.
Yeah, we're gonna put this on first anyway.
Should be not a bad, yeah.
Here, take all 6 bolts out, and on the holes that are on the inner side, thread them in there. I gotta give him the easy job, so otherwise I'll fuck it up.
I'll drop it on the floor, because here it comes. Who's ready for Game of Thrones tonight? Somebody's gonna die.
Who doesn't give a fuck about Game of Thrones?
The fuck? thread in that hole, you dirty girl.
All the time with this guy. All the damn time.
Don't let my wife see that shit. She'll be pissed.
I think she watches our YouTube channel.
Probably not.
Well, fuck her then.
Everybody does. Ain't nothing like trying to do man shit in here. Today's children's cartoons going off in the background. Wahoo!
And we're copyrighted.
It sounds like there's a claim. We want to be monetized.
So Jerry, what's the hairstyle you got going on here?
I don't give a fuck.
Is this the
I don't give a fuck. I still fucked your bitch haircut.
okay? But you claim to have fucked my bitch, but the lie detector said
Well,
that
maybe
was a
maybe
lie.
not your bitch, but whoever's watching this video, I probably fucked their bitch.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm pretty loyal to my friends, so.
He fucked no bitches. He fucked his wife. That's it.
Yeah. Now. But beforehand. Oh boy. Do I have some stories. I almost got to pay $200 to fuck a chick. Not a bad gig. Car parts. There you go.
And we now have a hub that'll work on our steering wheel. So let's go install that shit.
Hit the center button to stop.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install this steering wheel adapter. Then we're going to install our steering wheel. Now, you can see here, this steering wheel is neochrome with a wood wheel painted gold. It is not carbon fiber. It is not a Momo. It's unfortunate. But, you know, we got to work with what we got. We don't have this Magnum budget to throw money at. So
we don't have that $100,000 Magnum budget.
Yeah, you know, it's hard. Down in the dirty South here, in Ocean Way, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do to make it by. So,
but shout out to CDLC Cuban Links on Instagram. I'll make sure I post a link to his so you can see not only the Magnum but the I'm pretty sure it's gonna be $100,000 Accord here soon. Because I think that's exactly what he's putting that Momo in.
we'll have a feature of his car soon enough. If he ever finishes it.
He's like the rest of us. Gets started, never finishes.
Pretty much.
Oh my god, dude. My car looks like a gator. It's blue with orange air hose coming out of it. Go Knowles. Can't wait for football season to start back up.
I could give a fuck.
My man don't watch. Only thing I watch is Motor Trend. Fuck sports.
I have car friends. I watch car shows, and I work on cars. That's my life.
Yee.
Alright, so get a bunch of holes here. We gotta make sure we have one up. The steering wheel was straight when we took it off. We're just gonna try to match that up. Get it as straight as possible. Looks like that's gonna be it right there. Condom here.
That's gonna be your Huckleberry.
One Huckleberry right there. Go ahead and give this about 2 Ugg-Duggas. We're tight. Alright.
Toy like a Toyga.
Alright, so we're just a little bit off, but that's from tightening it. So we'll go ahead, set this bad boy up on here. Now, what brand was the other fucker? Where's the horn from that one?
That's it. Mine didn't have a horn. That's the horn from the other one.
Oh, you didn't have a horn button?
Mm-mm. Pretty sure I could buy one.
Yeah, you can buy
It's
them.
not hard to.
No, they're not hard to get at all.
It's just gonna look fucking silly with RS style. I mean, I bought some fucking piece of vinyl to go over that shit.
Oh, you can do carbon fiber vinyl.
Let me find these.
Allen's.
Yeah. You want Allen's or you want torque bits?
Allen's.
Alright. Something happened to the gray. The gray. Oh, there, right there. Found it.
All right.
I don't know which one's going to work with it.
Most likely electric. Go ahead. Attach this bitch here. Like this.
We're going to test this song, bitch.
Now, just like your wheel, you want to go in a star pattern. Tie it down nice and even. This, this is steering. We do want it to work and stay right.
Especially considering my wife's going to be driving this car.
You can trigger into it.
I'm thinking about getting this thing running, selling it, and buying me another W123.
All day.
Since pretty much everybody in the world wants me to do another one. And if you ever want to see my Mercedes that I built, just search on YouTube Gramps W123. The dopest, purplest Benz.
He had this car before I met him. He got rid of it. And he got this Beetle. And then he hasn't had the Beetle in a year. So he wants to get rid of this car when this is the only car he's got.
You gotta hold up. I got a blue Challenger. I ended up putting $1,000 in this motherfucker before I even damn make the first payment on it. Goals. Hey, when a man is not looking, we gotta figure out how to take that Challenger badge off that bitch.
Oh, off the front?
Yeah. Everybody knows it's a Challenger. I don't need it saying Challenger. I'll keep the RT on there.
We can get some sweet V6 badges for it.
SXT. So, man, your thing sounds pretty mean for a V6. I'm like, yeah, I got some Magnaflows on it. I'll put in these aftermarket mufflers to kind of detone it to make it sound like a V8. It's just a base model V6.
Get that base model radio in it.
Tell me about it. Broke ass bitch. That's okay. I'll be getting my new one soon. You want to make sure there's nothing in the way before you fire this bitch up?
I don't fire it up. I ain't got no power steering. It don't really matter if I fire it up or not.
True story.
Ain't even got no fluid in it.
It's all over the ground. And that's it.
Job done.
And that was pretty much it. He got it done. You know, got this tool from Lowe's, threaded out the hub, installed the new steering wheel. I plan on taking that steering wheel out and actually sanding all the gold off and
try to do something that matches the car better. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Give us a like if you want. Leave a comment. But yeah, see you next time.